How does one introduct?
Oh wait, I forgot I have a face. Hold on.
Oh
I need
my
to
god,
remember
wait,
what I was
actually,
doing.
I
just
love
saw
your
it.
face. I should have put one on my character.
I want to see my face. Hold on, I need to see it. Well, it's not like you're gonna be able to see it. I need to see what my face is.
It's so cute. Did you like
turn
spend
around.
like a really long time on it? Because it looked like you did. I don't have any shoes on.
I spent a long time on a different one and I didn't like it.
Oh.
Professional.
Yeah.
Oh, I do look cute. Don't like my ankle. I need to look at my face real quick. It does look cute though.
Boop.
Don't mind me.
Just gonna.
Anyways. Oh. I get you? I don't know where you're gonna land.
I already landed.
Just got to.
I'll pretend.
No.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Anyways.
Hello everyone and welcome to another game. This is Human Fall Flat and I am with Lexi here today, as I always am.
Oh.
I got you.
Oh.
I caught you. 100%.
You definitely did. You definitely did.
Yeah.
Okay, well I'm gonna throw this off the edge because we don't need instructions ever.
You've just grabbed an
Oh, my Spanish is
I
yelling
did
at
not
me.
let go of it.
I see that.
Up it, doodling.
Here, I'll do better.
Go around. Better things.
It's gone. It'll probably pop up.
Wait, actually. Turn this, I have lich. Pick it up again?
Okay, hold on.
Pick it up right now.
I'm picking it up. I'm sorry.
You've just grabbed an instructional video. Hold it tight. Great. Whenever you're lost or otherwise in despair, look around for such remotes. Once
Throw it off the edge.
activated, they'll
Okay.
provide instructions ranging from not very helpful.
Did that work? Did you accomplish what you wanted to?
Humans. They will run into every door they encounter.
How poetic.
Oh,
Hello?
you.
Hold on, your audio is
Alright,
glitching.
what's something better? Oh. I think I'm done too here, I told you.
It's fine.
Mind me? Don't mind me.
You're doing great. Oh, I got you. On to...
My I did. Just gonna continue my
yeah, like,
my game. So
things
weird.
weren't happening. You definitely did not glitch. No, definitely not. It's not like your computer's
Obviously.
struggling right now. Definitely.
Just turn my resolution down.
Oh.
Hey, it's not a gaming computer. This is actually doing a lot more than I expected it to do.
You're doing great. Good job.
They will push
Anyways.
every button they see.
I opened it for you, Shoddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I got you.
Core.
There's a button right there, and then a
They will
right
reach
there.
high
I don't need
and
it.
bend low
I don't need it.
to
I don't need
achieve
it.
their
Oh, I
goals.
need it. Never mind. I fell.
I got you.
Hey. Thank you.
Boing, boing.
Walking. Get off me.
I got this. Hold on.
Walking. Open both of them.
Oh, wait,
Nope.
hold on. I gotta do it at the same time.
And grab opportunities with
There
both
you
of their hands.
No.
Hello?
I want to close them. Hey. The go is gonna just take my hands.
I don't
You can
think
close
it's
it
gonna
again. Alright. Whatever.
Yep.
Whee!
Leave. Oh, I tried to grab you. Oh, no.
Fly.
No!
Never will.
work. Oh, that's so poetic. Thank you, random guy. Yippee!
I don't audio. Audio is for losers.
Ah!
Be nice to his name. You know what?
Ah!
Get off the edge.
If we go down together. Can you feel
I got an
it?
achievement, but I got it. I can't read it because that's bottom on my screen. Like, go. Like,
No.
down. No. Oh.
We're in quite the predicament.
Hey, you wanna go back up? See I can swing because I have great swinging skills, as you know.
I got you. Are you holding on to me?
Hold.
Because if you are, then I'll let you go so you can swing.
Yeah, I'm holding on to you.
Okay, so I'm gonna let
I
go.
think so, anyways.
Yeah, you are. So whenever you swing, we're good. You just let go whenever you can.
To get it. Wait.
You're doing great. Oh! No!
I'm just doing the full trick dying.
Yeah?
Hey.
Alright. Hey, look, it's Choo Choo Charles.
Super cool.
Yeah. You think he'll eat me? Probably not. I'm too cool to be eaten by a train. There you go. I got you.
Get in the trap.
I do. Is that where I belong? Is that what you're saying? You're saying I'm trash.
Oh. Drink, come on. There we go. Get in.
Ah! I almost got it.
What?
I almost got it.
I know, sweet. I know.
Oh.
You got.
I can't get in the trash
I'm
can.
just gonna walk off the edge. Actually.
I think you should like be my like little boost. Open the door for you. Ah! I just bumped my head really hard. Anyway. Oh, hello. I opened the door for you, but...
Trash. Good job. Or you just go.
Your sound audio is
Door.
like very glitchy. Who needs doors?
Who needs to do this way when I can just my climbing skills?
I can open the door for you. You got a little fountain. Oh,
I don't need. I just told you this. I'm too cool for doors.
I just got squished by the train.
No, it's not. Well, if you must. The game is also very glitchy, so no one's
Oh,
winning.
man. The delay is so bad. It's okay though. Oh no! Come back. I'll make it for you. No. Hold up.
No, doesn't matter.
Oh, hello, I'm back.
Going this way. Going this way. Actually, I want to go this way.
Can you make that, or do you need more?
Hi. I'm sorry.
It's
That was
okay. I believe in you.
mean.
Oh! Just walked right into a wall. Bro, what is this? Oh, I see. Okay. Can you get this one? Oh, no. It's part of that. You know what? I bet you could get up there by jumping up there. Yeah. Oh, crap. No. Yeah, you could get that.
Oh.
Turn around. Turn around. Every now and then I get apart. And I need you now.
I don't love you. You should play Portal sometime. Nice video. No, don't grab it. Don't do that.
Oh. Wow, what a strange dream I just had. Hi. I'll put you right by my mic. That was awful. You're like glitchy and stuff.
Can't even like I know you can't hear me, but so I'm just like having conversations with you, and I know you can't hear me, but I'm so happy.
It wasn't that bad. I could still like kind of hear you every now and then, and the delay was really bad.
Well, what? Sure.
Yeah, you know.
You know, it's good enough. We'll figure out how to do things sometime.
Yeah, you live and you learn. We good. Everything's fine.
Okay, there you go. Everything's all good now.
Maybe we can get proximity voice chat and it does better.
Yeah, I don't know. I know on Xbox it does. I'm not sure if it has it in there. I'll find out. I mean, I assume it does because PC always has everything.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna be your box. You don't need a box.
You can be my rock. That I
do the door.
Okay. Are you on your way? Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my secret shortcut lane.
Okay. You like how my character doesn't have any shoes?
Yeah, it's not very professional of you.
I'm sorry. I'm your hired bodyguard. I don't get paid enough
I
to
see.
have
Well, I refuse to pay you anymore because I need you to jump off the world.
You gonna jump off?
Yeah, I skipped a couple parts. I got a different.
Oh, okay. Wow, what a strange dream I had.
Alright, let's actually get the box attack because this is the last part. Where is the box attack? Alright. I gotta remember how to do these first. I haven't played these first level down very long.
I have been.
Okay.
I mean, kind of have. At that one time we played, but like you joined in like later.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is. Or bam.
You like how I have a gun?
Yeah, I was actually looking at that.
Don't get any ideas.
Oh, bam.
Ah!
So,
I'll
alright,
pull out my gun.
I need you to bring your part. You need to go up on it.
How about you get the cart yourself? I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. That
I will
was
leave you.
no. I'm sorry. That was really mean. It was just a joke. But yeah, there we go.
You could have stayed up here. You could go down.
I know. I kind of fell off.
Okay, anyways, take it out.
Ah. I'm gonna do it with one hand. I'm so strong.
I know.
we're both very strong. You work out?
We have no bones.
Oh.
We're all no bones.
All noodles. Are you gonna go up or did I hit it on accident? There we go. Ooh. Eh.
Yep.
Ooh.
I keep trying to grab the other jump, but I keep walking on the edge.
I'm so happy for you. Good job.
My controller just a little delayed.
Oh.
Oh, this one. I forgot about this one.
I don't like the look of this one.
This is gonna be hard with my delayed controls. I'm saying.
I believe in you. You're so cool.
I turn my resolution down anymore. Hold on, let me.
Is this like whenever I tried to play Poppy Playtime?
Yeah. I think they're more like 2 resolutions, and it looks great. It's just so slow. Okay, let me turn everything very low. Let's see how that goes.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna be playing on a potato.
I don't care. I just
You
want to play.
might as well be playing on a potato.
So there's no shading,
It's fine. Who needs shadows?
but it's still delayed. I think it actually got worse.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't actually need to go that way because I can do some cool tricks. One day.
One day. I believe in you. Oh, I'm gonna go this way.
Doesn't matter. You can pick. That one's a hard way. This is an easy way.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Well, it's hard for the people who just started playing the game.
Well, I guess I just restart. That
And
sucks.
this is where you learn to pull yourself up. The videos over here are how to pull yourself.
Oh.
There's 2 videos over here.
Wow. They really wanted to cover all their bases.
Yeah. I mean, that's really it. Walk, pull yourself up, and you can't fly.
What if I believed I could fly? What if I believed I could touch the sky?
Are you going through open doors? Hello, are you up here?
No, I fell off.
Oh. How did you fall off? Where did you fall off at?
I tried to go this way.
I was like, there's the ground below us. How did you fall?
Oh, I fell off the rocks, the high rocks, not the
Alright,
little
well,
rocks.
I'm gonna pick a resolution because this didn't do anything, so I might as well have good quality at least.
With shadows and everything.
I'm doing very high. I deserve the highest quality.
Yes, this is you.
How much worse that makes it.
If you can't move, then I fear you should turn it down.
How about the shadows?
Do you really need shadows?
Yes, it's actually the same, so it, like that doesn't affect the gameplay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
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 Still can't hear anything. I don't know what that's about.
Funky.
Well, I guess it's good because my audio is pure. It's my audio, so you get it. Like, look at you. Hello.
Hi, I'm here.
Righty. Oh, I do hear it. I can slightly hear my audio. I think it's just turned down.
I can't wait to edit this video.
I can't wait because I don't want to edit it. But this is what I get for not recording. I don't have to edit it.
Bro, my hands are not working. Okay, let's try that again.
Oh, your hand working. Oh. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. Hey, you mind bringing the car over here? Can I just hop on that real quick?
I got you. Is that good?
Yeah. You're like breaking my arm off, is it right?
Oh, it's fine. Who needs arms when you have noodles anyway?
I did it.
You did it.
Alright, you want to take the parkour away or you want to take the swing?
I don't know.
Seeing as this swing will probably go horrible for us, I think we take the swing.
Bro, can I get this?
Look at those graphics. Shadows. This looks great.
I love how my computer can handle it. Bro, your computer would crash playing Poppy Playtime.
No, it wouldn't even open.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
I'm surprised. When I bought this game, I was like, it's not actually gonna work. But it did.
It's
I
like,
couldn't imagine.
it's not a high, like, quality game. You know, there's not like a lot of...
It's high quality. Everything's on high. The shadows are crazy. It's just a little delayed when I move. That's alright. I'm working with it. Grab the rope.
Okay. Oh, that's with the wrong hand. I keep clicking the wrong button for the wrong hand.
Ready?
I am ready.
Whee!
I didn't grab it very well. Ow.
So this is the one. Like, my timing's gonna be really bad, so I'm gonna. I don't know how it's gonna go for me.
I believe in you.
Thank you. Alright. I think I'm gonna jump next time.
Okay, I think that was a good idea.
I don't know when I'm supposed to let go, but I'm gonna let go now.
Yeah.
Oh, it. Let's go.
I think I need more momentum for me, because I'm on a higher part of the rope.
There you are. I'm watching you. Okay, you.
Yeah, he did, yeah. You caught me, for sure. Ah! Oh.
You can just stay over there, peasant. I'll go over here.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, like,
Thank you.
my kind of plebs.
But yeah, I think my game was getting better. I'm like, what are you doing?
I'm trying to pull it down, but it didn't work.
Looked over. Oh, I feel like I can't actually go this way until we go that way. So I actually went the wrong way. No, I'm not getting down. You got it.
I did it.
Can you bring the train over to me too, please? I'm sorry for calling you a peasant.
You're lucky I love you. I did it.
Yeah, I didn't jump. Look at that checkpoint. I don't want to do this.
I'll get it, I'll get it.
We got this. Hold on.
Boing!
Oh my god. How do we like weigh the same, but somehow if one of us stands on the other end, it just goes down? That doesn't make any sense.
It does not. But who needs... Can I... My hands are not working! Let me up! My VELCRO isn't attached, apparently.
Oh. I mean, we don't have any fingers, so it makes sense if sometimes things don't grab, because they should never grab.
What do you mean? That's ridiculous. I have fingers.
Talking about.
Yeah. What are fingers? I don't have any of those. What is life if not fingies?
I think that's a quote by Fred Franklin.
Yeah, for sure. Are you trying to close the door on me?
I'm really hard time getting in that.
Wait, crap, I think I understand.
You got it?
Oh, there, I did it. Oh, you wanna have a movie night?
Yeah, movie night. Movie night. Movie night.
What movie? We should put on Titanic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it on it. Don't mind
Oh, you broke the table! Oh no!
No.
The table! It's broken!
Hey, let's just say goodbye to it.
Yeah. Oh.
Why is the glass not breaking up?
Yeah! Yeah! Oh crap.
Yeah, you go down with it.
What's the, oh, this is the speaker. Did I need to be up there?
You want a TV too?
Oh yeah, I'll have a movie night down here since I fell out and everything.
You need a couch?
Oh yeah, you know I gotta have the whole setup.
Here, oh, I fell off too. Hey.
Oh hi. Hey, there's a cushion.
Yeah, I got that down with me. You know, I'm gonna check it out over here. Don't mind me.
I'm enraged.
I feel like a cat in a tree. You can come take some peeksies at me.
Where are you?
In a tree? I see you down there, peasant.
Which tree are you in? What?
The highest tree there is.
Oh, I see you. How'd you get up there? When you fell?
How do I get down?
do you need the fire department? Some wee woo wagons for chance.
Just die. Don't do it.
It's fine. I must.
I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. Watching. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's so much glass everywhere.
Shh, no.
Remember that one time I was young and I stepped on glass? That was a fun ride home.
Yippee! You said remember like I was there, but I do remember you telling me.
Yeah, you weren't there. I don't
Hey,
remember what time.
You're not even.
Hello? Oh, you need some help there?
A little bit. I'm just hanging out, you know.
What's that? Oh, that fog. Dang. Someone got the dried ice.
Oh. Oh. What fog?
Oh, I don't think you.
Clouds are very. No, I see it. I see it. I have to look up though.
Oh.
Not where I am.
Hey, you can jump down. I got you.
Okay, if I swing, you're gonna catch me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
What the heck? You didn't even try to.
I tried. I tried. Stairs with these like look at my legs, okay? I don't even have kneecaps.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Honey. You're welcome.
Oh, here I got. Hello.
Open it for me, please.
Oh, I got it. It's a push door.
Thank you.
Yeah. Whee! Oh, sorry. Sometimes I forget I'm holding onto things.
We have water now? Please? Where's castle next? Oh, water.
Castle? Ow.
Oh, it's this one. I always forget about this one.
These are very dusty.
Get out. I landed on the concrete. You landed on the back.
Oh. Sorry. Is your brain okay?
What brain? Anyways.
Eh.
Okay, this level I'm not going through any doors. It's my new rule.
Oh, for just this level?
This level.
Okay. Might be breaking and entering, but alright.
I already demolished the thing. What's the point of this one? Let me get in that bit. No, let me get in
Oh,
it.
other way. Sorry, my bad.
You know, do the secret to skip this whole level, but I don't wanna. I wanna blow things up. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, I got you. Oh wait, can I grab this please? That looks like a lot of fun. I would love to do that in real life. Watch your head. Oh, I was gonna go again.
Oh, I'll move out of the way. Don't hit me. There's nothing for you to hit, but you destroyed the entire wall.
Did it do it? No, I missed. It's fine.
Anyways,
I got it.
I don't need you to get it. That wasn't a door.
Alright, I'm on my way.
I'm ready. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Parkour.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm so cool.
Yeah, you wanna drive it?
Oh my goodness, I do have my driver's license. Give me.
I'm ready.
Hold on, I'm struggling to get up. Hold on. This is just in real life. I'm just really short. I can do it.
Yeah, I've seen how close your steering wheel is to your.
No, shush.
It's like you don't have any room. Your knees are like at your chest.
They are not.
Don't mind me. This is the comfortable position. I'm comfortable. Where are you building?
I don't know.
Not that way. Go to the wall. Demolish.
Oh, I see. Okay. Momentum.
I'm trying not to like drag. So this is why
You're doing great.
Thanks.
Well, bam.
Hey, man, hold on. Let me actually get on it. Oh, don't go that way. Perfect.
That's so funny. Alright. Oh, when I edit, I'll cut it out.
I don't believe you.
Why don't you believe me?
Oh, damn.
I'm your beloved. You should believe me. Oh crap, I almost fell off. Help! Help!
No, you
Ah!
got it.
Oh yeah, you're right, we're good.
I'm trying to make, I don't want to put it in the box. I'm trying to use glass to make it stay down.
Ah, I see. There we go. Oh, no.
That's me standing on. I'm trying to move, but it's like I'm stuck to the wall. There we go. No.
Yeah!
Just keep saying there you go until it works.
Yeah, that works. It actually works. We're good.
Okay.
Go, go, go before it decides that it's not a box.
That makes sense.
It's like, wait a minute. That's not a box.
I got you this hole. This is for you.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
I also got you this French fry.
Oh, I love French fries.
And they're two very long cylinders.
Oh, excuse me.
You're not just
Oh. Wow, you're so strong.
I know. Shut it again. I'm not ready.
Okay.
I'm trying to do something. Why am I like... Grab the door. Alright, you may do it now.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
You can hold the pole in the lever so it stays up.
Oh, you're so smart.
No, this is how it goes.
Yeah. I've played these games before. Did I do it? No. Did I do it? No, I did not. Give me 1 second. I got this one. Yeah.
You got it. You got this. Let go of the ground.
Oh. I didn't realize I was holding on.
And then it made me let go. This game sucks. What's the point of things? Get out of my way.
Very, yeah.
No, I refuse to use the box. Oh wait. Oh, that was a door I just walked through. I just realized I walked through like 3 doors.
It's fine. I'll cut it out.
I'm so nervous. No footage of me walking through doors.
Yeah, you just kind of like teleport. It's fine.
Makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Don't cut anything out. I want my pure, unfiltered wrong. I want everyone in the comments to say she broke everything. Cancel her before she even had any videos. I'm trying to be serious. I'm dancing. Yeah, I'm supposed to be like a gang beast where you headbutt. This is not that game.
Are you ready? Okay. Whoa, what happened to my audio? This one's on me. Hold on. Oh, my phone. I think it's my phone. It's at 12. I don't have a charger near me. Alright. I'm gonna hang up and then I'll call back. No, I don't hate you. Give me 1 second. Oh god, I just like my whole desk just shook. I just tried to get up. I didn't realize I was that fat.
No, got it.
I just zoomed in. Wait, I just zoomed in. What button did I hit?
I think you just ran to the. You're just zoomed in on. Actually, why are you really intently staring at that number?
Oh, what did I do? I'm like out of body. What is going on? Help me. Help me.
Let me see. What did you do?
I do? Help me.
I'm getting really close to climbing, but I guess I'll help you.
I think-
Shit.
What did I do?
Like, do it.
I just took off my headphones.
What did you? I don't see anything. Looking at the controls, but there's something in there that says go out of button.
You figure it out right now.
So I think you're dead.
Should I jump off?
I think you died. Can you even move?
I can move. I think. Hold on.
Yeah, you can move. Just. You're kind of scary looking.
Because I'm staring intently at the floor.
And you're like breathing heavily.
Oh god, my phone. Everything's going wrong.